Kylie and Luke Melbourne is marketed as an authentic Australian boutique brand inspired by Melbourne fashion culture. But the real question is it truly Australian, or another online store using Australian branding for marketing? Now, to be fair, the store strongly presents itself as an Australian lifestyle brand. The website repeatedly references Melbourne culture, Australian fashion, Australia post shipping, and a backstory about a couple building the brand together. What it does well: the branding feels convincingly Australian. The site heavily uses Melbourne imagery, Australian slang, and local boutique storytelling. Product pages constantly reference Australian lifestyles, coastal fashion, and Melbourne weather. The website looks professionally built. Compared to obvious scam stores, Kylie and Luke Melbourne has polished product pages, return policies, customer support sections, and detailed product descriptions. Where it raises concerns: the Australian boutique image may be mostly branding. This is the biggest issue. Many online stores today present themselves as local Australian, British, or Canadian boutiques, even when products are sourced from overseas manufacturers or dropshipping suppliers. Product descriptions feel highly template. Many listings use emotional storytelling, urgency tactics like "only 3 left," and repeated 4.8 of 5 ratings across almost every product page. Some wording feels AI-generated or overly polished. Phrases like soft glutinous comfort, beautifully relaxed effortless fit, and repeated emotional narratives appear unusually repetitive across products. So, is Kylie and Luke Melbourne truly Australian? Short answer: probably Australian branded, but not necessarily fully Australian made or traditionally Australian owned in the way the marketing implies. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.